takes brand Jamaica to the world with 3 exciting days in 2 arenas and 1 ultimate outing. From April 14 to 17, the National Arena and National Indoor Sports Centre in Kingston will be buzzing with exhibits of all things Jamaican as Expo Jamaica gets underway. Dubbed the business hub of the Caribbean, this biennial trade show is the ultimate place to do business with the best of Jamaica.
Over the 4 days, what you will witness is quality, variety, and uniqueness of products made in Jamaica. You will recognize the diversity of brand Jamaica, which continues to experience unprecedented demand worldwide.
The event is being jointly staged by the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, the JMA, Jamaica Exporters Association, JEA, and Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO. Among its many sponsors is the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries. And the entire experience will be enhanced by the renovation of the National Arena, which is being funded by the Finance Ministry and the Tourism Enhancement Fund. A major part of Expo Jamaica 2016 will see JAMPRO playing a key role in connecting local producers with serious buyers through an expanded buyers program. The event is expected to attract 450 local and overseas buyers and over 15,000 patrons.
We hope that our overseas buyers and distributors will be impressed by the bounty of high-quality output made right here in Jamaica.
So the Expo will showcase a range of products in the manufacturing, agriculture, tourism and services industries. 90 booth spaces have been added to meet the growing number of exhibitors in areas such as printing, packaging, labeling, construction, IT and software solutions.
It is a demonstration of our vibrancy as a nation of entrepreneurs.
New features at this year's Expo will include the Jamaica Tourist Board's Experience Jamaica display, a RADA Farmers Market, Caribbean Broilers Food Court, and live streaming of the event. "65% of the roughly 1,000 trade leads from the last Expo have been converted to real-world business transactions. And Expo Jamaica 2016 is poised to capitalize and build on those connections. It's a model that's supported by the government and it's pushed to facilitate business growth and position the country within the global value chains.
For too long, we have been laboring at this notion that we must be more competitive, we must be more productive, so that we can export our products, produce enough to satisfy the local demand, and by so doing get ourselves out of problems.
To find out more about Expo Jamaica 2016, you can contact the JMA Secretariat by calling 922-888023 or 922-8869 or email aisha@jma.com.jm or andrea@jma.com.jm. You can also visit the Expo Jamaica website at expojamaica.com.jm.